Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iGeekphone.com. Today we're going to see the latest wireless earphones from Tronsmart, which were sent to me from Geekbuying, which I would like to thank both of them. Tronsmart is a company that I really like and trust in earphones. The earphones that I'm using right now are again from Tronsmart, as you can see. So they sent me their latest model is the Onyx Ace with Qualcomm aptX. They can function up to 24 hours with the help of the charging base. The battery that the earphone has can last up to 5 hours. They have with touch control by touching the rear side of the earphones with noise cancellation. 4 microphones. Here you can see the specs of the earphones with quad microphone, as it says here, up to 5 hours playtime. Fully waterproof. They support IPX5 up to 15 meters without any objects between the earphones and the mobile can stay connected. They support Siri and Google Assistant, and USB-C is the charging port that the base has. So let's open the box. This is the box. As you can see, the earphones, I could say they look alike earbuds. These are blinking. It's to be connected with my mobile. Right, left, and the charging case, which says how much percentage of battery they have. So let's put them inside. Ready? Now let's connect them with my Xiaomi Mi 8. So we take them both out. Let's go a little bit closer to have a better look. We press a little bit here at the back. And we must see them here. Ready to use. Connected. 100% its battery. With everything. Now I'm going to wear them. As you can see, it says left and right. Now I'm gonna use from YouTube something. You aren't going to hear it, but you hear it because I closed them. So by pressing for about 3 seconds the right earphone, they're activated. And they get connected. You hear a sound when they get connected. So I hear the sound, and as you see, you don't hear the sound now from my mobile because they are connected with the Tronsmart earphones. Now, when they are connected for the first time, as you see, they start at a low, and you have to raise it up a little bit to hear. The sound is very good, very clear, and they stay put on my ears without any problem. Well, Tronsmart is, let me stop it because I cannot hear myself. Tronsmart is a company that is really very good. Let's see, and their specs at let me search at Geek Phone. This is the Onyx Ace, as you can see, less than $30, and from Spain, so without any problem. From Spain it cannot come here in Greece. Well, it has many other: Italy, China, Hong Kong, Czech, Germany. I prefer Italy, which they come. The price is the same, and I have them in about 2 days. They come with DHL. Very good earphones. I really would like to recommend them. I know Tronsmart company for the very good quality. I have several items from them, some game earphones, the earphones that I showed you that I use daily. So it's a company that I trust, I recommend, and I say to you, buy. So if you want, you can find a link in my review and under the video at the YouTube channel with a coupon to get it from, and don't forget to like my video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is my doctor for iGeekphone.com. Bye.